What's going on, guys? Today we're changing the windshield. We're gonna get it replaced because it's very messed up, and I'll show you guys right now. But it's messed up. It broke a while back. Something hit it and it cracked completely. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully I enjoy. This, guys, it's ready to go. Of course I gotta get the new sticker on, but no more crack. It did it, everything perfect, no smudges, no scratches. Did a great job. I will post their info at the end in case you're in the Houston, Pasadena area, Deer Park area, LaPorte, in Texas. But it's perfect. Seems great. Look at this. No more cracked windshield here or nowhere. Oh, it's great.